Ever wondered how long those dazzling neon signs, illuminating our cities, actually last? It's a question that sparks curiosity, especially as we admire their vibrant glow. Let's dive into the neon world and uncover the secrets behind their longevity. Neon signs, with their distinctive glow, have been captivating us for decades. Their unique charm lies not only in their aesthetic appeal but also in their durability. But how long do these iconic signs truly endure? The science behind neon. To understand the lifespan of a neon sign, we must first delve into the science behind it. Neon, a noble gas, emits a bright orange-red light when an electric current passes through it. This process, while mesmerizing, is quite delicate and influenced by various factors. Factors affecting neon sign lifespan. Quality of components. The quality of the glass tubing, electrodes, and transformers significantly impacts the sign's longevity. High-quality components are more resistant to wear and tear, ensuring a longer lifespan. Environmental conditions. Exposure to harsh weather conditions, such as extreme heat, cold, and humidity, can accelerate the degradation of neon signs. Outdoor signs, especially, are more susceptible to these elements. Usage patterns. The frequency and duration of a neon sign's operation also play a role in its lifespan. Continuous operation can lead to faster component wear, while intermittent use can prolong its life. Maintenance and repairs. Regular maintenance, including cleaning and replacing damaged components, is crucial for extending the life of a neon sign. Timely repairs can prevent further damage and ensure optimal performance. The lifespan of a neon sign. While it's challenging to pinpoint an exact lifespan for a neon sign, with proper care and maintenance, they can last for decades, even centuries. Many historic neon signs, well over 50 years old, continue to illuminate our cities, a testament to their enduring nature. Preserving neon heritage. Recognizing the cultural and historical significance of neon signs, many organizations and individuals are dedicated to preserving this unique art form. Restoration efforts, involving meticulous cleaning, repair, and replacement of damaged components, help ensure that these iconic signs continue to shine for generations to come. So, the next time you admire a dazzling neon sign, appreciate not only its beauty but also the craftsmanship and technology that went into its creation. With proper care and maintenance, these iconic symbols of our urban landscape can continue to illuminate our cities for many years to come. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.